G'd out. Yeah, exclusive. Alright,
Strap in your seatbelts.
let's go. This could be us, yeah. This could be us, yeah. With a window view like that, baby girl gon' stay with us. Yeah, she gon' drop it low. She gon' drop it low. She bending over, touch her toes, hit it like a man in ham. I stop and go, I stop the show, yeah. She feel my throat, yeah. Shades on, chain on, murdered out, I don't care, man. This is how I'm reppin'. HB is my section. Bullets flying all around you, niggas catch 'em like infections. This could be us, this should be us. My team on top like Vic in the clutch. This could be us, this should be us. Like an ass when shifting gears to my clutch. This could be us, this should be us. Now scratch out line, that shit is a dub. G-W-D-U-B-B, I'm so high that you can't see me. Rolling face, my eyes like BBs. I'm the shit but never feces. Animal up on the beat, saying I'm a different species. Got a couple different homies, independence where they stay. That's why every track I'm laying, I go hard, there ain't no playing. Monopolize, HP, what's up? Was a little homie, but I'm moving up. The last 6 months I was in a pen with a pen trying to get my writing up. Came out like I'm dead and put the lighter up. Haze my mind now, lighten up. Hit up my ex, I'm in the cutty. I'm thinking we ain't never fighting up. Like this could be us, this should be us. Nah, it's too late, that shit is a dub. This could be us, nah I couldn't. If you're trying to act tough, I probably wouldn't. The homies blue like LA Dodgers. Run my team like Aaron Rodgers. Leave them running, no morning joggers. The stacks keep going up, thinking stop. HP, we be in the shadows. Coming from the bottom where niggas battle. Trying to catch sleep, but I've been up for hours. Blunt filled cliches, crying sour. Sergeant G, let me man the powers. I'm the kind of nigga stay fresh as sour. Skinny nigga, but I got the height of towers. Coming fucking bitch for endless hours. I'm bossing, toss it. Kinda like an HP draw. Niggas gonna feed my team till the end. Niggas gotta eat if a nigga go hard. I does this, no ifs or ands. Breaking faces, scarred my hands. Asian eyes, Korean land. Syrup, I can't even stand. Ooh wee, let me get that. Ooh wee, let me hit that. Ooh wee, let me get that bitch in the back with the backwards Nets hat. Like and I got it. My hands heavy, I shot it. Aiming and I'm flaming any nigga in my lane. And don't be blaming, I'm just saying what this game is. I'm so aimless when I aim it. Aim the stainless, it's so painless. Yes, it's Zanus that you famous. I'm so better, got that cheddar. You know better, you wear sweaters. I get fresh and I get flea. This nigga's friends got deaded. I do it like this cause I was born with it. Lightning fast flow, crack down the storm with it. Life ain't all flowers, man, there's some thorns in it. Mad bitches in the crib, like there's thorns.